Hi, my name is Christopher Reese and I'm one of the Celta trainers here at Grade Education Centre, and today we're going to talk about one of the common mistakes which I see on the Celta course. When I start planning a lesson together with a trainee, one of the first questions that I ask them is usually either, what is your main aim, or what are your lesson aims? They can usually identify these well enough, but as soon as they start really planning the lesson, they forget all about their main aim and instead think about fun activities that they can provide the students, or how they're going to explain everything that they want to explain. For example, in one lesson recently, I had a teacher who had an aim along the lines of, by the end of the lesson, the learners will be better able to use passive voice in the context of discussing scientific discoveries. Yet during the lesson, his explanation of passive voice took so long that there was no time for practice, and the learners didn't have a chance to discuss scientific discoveries or anything in the target language. Despite this, during his feedback, the trainee said that his aims were achieved because he explained everything. And it was only after we really broke down what his aims really meant, what it meant for him to achieve them, and how he could have helped his students more, that he really understood what the problem was. And I could tell 1,000 similar stories with people placing too much emphasis on the lead-in and running out of time later, or spending too much time designing and doing fun activities that have no relevance to the lesson. But the main idea is this: make your aims your priority. Celta, and teaching in general, gets a bit easier after that.